In this video, I'll show you how to change your home address on Robinhood step by step. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, open the menu and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, look for Personal Information and tap on it. Here, you'll see your current details, including your home address. Tap on the Address section to edit it. Now, enter your new home address carefully, making sure all details are correct, including street, city, and zip code. After that, tap on Save or Update to apply the changes. In some cases, Robinhood may ask you to verify your identity or upload a document to confirm the new address, so follow the on-screen instructions if prompted. Once everything is confirmed, your address will be updated in your account. Make sure to double-check your details to avoid any issues with account verification or transactions. And that's it, you've successfully changed your home address on Robinhood. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.